Welcome to USA Scratchers. We got some low boys in the house. $50 cash explosion from the Florida lottery. 5 tickets, 5 chances to win. 130 through 134 on the ticket numbers. And overall odds on these bad boys is 14.71. Don't forget about the secret word at the end of this videos. Enough said. Let's get scratching. Alright, let's get the scratching here. See, we're going to go money bag searching for money bag. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Money bag, money bag. Oh, another money bag. Well, hey, yeah, 2 money bags. Money bag, money bag, money bag. And a 3. So we'll just keep this over here. Check those money bags. Different. Let's go symbol hunting. Any symbols? No money bags? Now let's see here. Let's see. 15. Nothing. We're gonna go money bag symboling again. Money bag. Can't believe we got a winner on the second ticket. Actually, a winner on the first ticket. Excuse me. Now let's see here. 8. Didn't get a win on ticket 32. Since it's ticket 133, let's see. Let's go do money bag searching again. See what we get. Okay. 12. 132 was a dud. 133, excuse me, was a dud. Okay, it's the last ticket. 134. Is it going to be a money bag? Let's check it out and see. No money bags. Well, let's check the winning number. 11. No 11. No 11. Now, this was our first ticket. We got hit with 2 money bags on our first ticket. Let's see what they're going to be. $2 back. Not bad. Not bad. I'll take that. Especially when it's just only low boys. Yeah. Ooh. That was actually pretty good. $2 on a $5. That's good. I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you all for your nice comments. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. This is USA Scratchers, and I am signing off.